ordinary. Now heaven design am for me. This love now heaven sent. Jehovah you represent. You be the center of it all. You know they ever fall. We go love the way you teach us. Forgive the way you show us. Hand in hand we go stand under your mighty hand. Oh Baba God, we thank you.
Do you know you can create your own Afro Christian love song for free using AI? No studio, no producer, just your phone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own music for free using this powerful new music AI tool. Whether you want to sing about love, faith, or worship, I'll show you exactly how to turn your idea into a beautiful, professional sounding song. Let's get started.
Alright, I went ahead to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT that I should act like a music artist, create a beautiful Afrobeat Christian love song for me with godly lyrics. So it went ahead and it gave me this intro, the verse, the pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, the bridge, and the outro. So I'm going to copy it. Now step 2, create the music. Now go to Google Gemini, sign up with your Google account. Sign up with your Google account. It's very important to sign up with your Google account. In case you haven't seen it for the first time, after signing up, you're going to see a new feature. Yes, a new music feature. Click on it. Let me maximize this so that you see different options, different styles. So I'm going to select Afro pop. You can select any style of music of your choice. So I selected Afro pop. Now the next thing you're going to do is to paste your prompt here. This is where you're going to paste the lyrics of your song here and hit generate. All right, so let's wait a few seconds. Let's wait for our song. All right, our song is ready. Let me play our song so that we'll listen to it and see how it came out.
This love no be ordinary. Now heaven design am for me. This love now heaven sent. Jehovah you represent. You be the center of it all. You know they ever fall. We go love the way you teach us. Forgive the way you show us. Hand in hand we go stand under your mighty hand. Oh Baba God, we thank you.
Oh, this is mind-blowing. I really love this song. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. What do you think? Drop it in the comments. This is beautiful. So if you want to download it, you have to click here. Right, click here. You're gonna see download. So they're gonna pop out and two choices. Is either you download it with the video that is being displayed or you download it with the audio. Okay, it's either you download it as an audio or a video. Okay, so I'm going to download this as an audio first. I want to download this as an audio, then I'll still download it as a video. Okay, so this is beautiful. Now for the image that I use, I went to Pinterest. If you go to now, when you go to Pinterest, you're gonna see amazing outfits. Just choose the one that resonates with you. Okay, select the 3 dots and you download. Choose them. Okay. All right, go to Play Store and download Digen AI. So download it, or you can go to your browser and type digen.com. All right. So I'm gonna select create. Remember to sign up with your Google account. It's very important. You sign up with your Google account in order to access this platform. All right, so you're going to click here and upload your image. And click here, you're going to select browse. Our image has been uploaded. You're going to type in your prompt, what you want your character to do, whether you want her to dance or sing or thereabouts. All right. Now, after that, you hit generate. Our video is ready. Now the next thing to do is to click on this icon and download. Click on it and download. Right. Okay, so move to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store and type Dream Face. Type Dream Face. Okay. As you can see, it's already installed on my phone. So type it and download it. Okay. Download Dream Face. Now select Dream Face. Select Dream Face. Okay, and you're going to see an option where it says avatar lip sync. Select avatar lip sync and you select this plus icon and upload your character, the one you animated. Okay, select it and select confirm. Alright, after that, we're going to display something like want avatar to say or sing. So select it and select import. Select import. Okay, you're going to see from files. Select from files or from your albums. So I'm going to select from files. So go to your audio and upload your song. Upload your song. Okay, and it's going to display here. After that, you can play it and listen to it. Then after that, the next thing you're going to do is to select confirm. Select confirm. Select animate. So let's view in letter in profile. Okay, so this is where you're going to see it now.
And that's it. Now you know how to create your own Afro Christian love song for free using AI. Remember, you don't need expensive equipment to start. You just need your voice, your phone, and your faith. If this helped you, share it with someone who wants to create music too. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.